Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to open any app directly in pop-up view in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and now just click on this display option. Now just scroll down below. Now we'll see here Edge Panels option. So if this Edge panel is not turned on, then just turn it on. Now you can see one vertical line appearing on the right side of my Samsung smartphone. So you can see the Edge panel. Now you can minimize it. So now just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as FindLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. So you either install FindLock or GoodLock, whichever supports in your respective Samsung smartphones. And after that, just open the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever application you have installed. Now, under the plugin option, you need to download and install one plugin named as popup. So I've already downloaded and installed those two, so I'm not going to do it again. And once you have downloaded and installed it, just click on this popup plugin option. Now just turn it on and scroll down below. Now you'll see here Edge panel. Now you can just turn it on and click on it again. Now here you will see one option, open apps in screen using the selected view tab. So here you will see pop-up screen view. So we're gonna select this option and now you can minimize it. Now just open the Edge panel by swiping it from the screen edges. So now let me try to click on this clock. Now you can see it's opening in the pop-up view. Now, if you want to add your respective application, then just click on this pencil-like icon and say, I want to add a calculator, then just click on it. Now you can see calculator is being added. You can click on this minus button in order to remove the respective app icons. Right now, I'll just keep it as it is and you can minimize it. Just swipe it from the screen edges again. Now you can see the respective application has been added. Now if I click on this respective application, then it will get open in the pop-up view. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily open any app directly in pop-up view in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.